How to use the Zelle to transfer money on Bank of America. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In order to use Zelle to transfer money on Bank of America, here is the step-by-step process. Step 1. Log in into Bank of America application. Enter your user ID and password to log in. Now, from the home page, locate the 5 options at the bottom of the screen, from where you have to select on the second option, which is Transfer or Zelle. Now, since you are sending money, you can tap on the send option, which will require you to select the person you want to send money to from your contacts. If it is not on the list, you have to add them on your Zelle account. Then enter the amount that you wish to send. You can also include an optional note if required. If not, you can skip this process. After that, tap on the send button located at the bottom right of the screen to finalize the transaction. Make sure you always double check your recipient's email or phone number correctly linked to Zelle and verify the transfer details before confirming to avoid user mistakes. And that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.